Navigating Expo is easy, and we've got you covered every step of the way. The good news is, if you're staying at one of our official hotels offered through EventSphere, you don't need to worry about shuttles. Everything is within walking distance from your hotel. Once inside, finding your way is simple. Expo is located on the first floor of the George R. Brown Convention Center, so you don't have to worry about which floor you'll be on. Registration is right in the grand lobby, and the show floor is located in exhibit halls C and D. Among the hundreds of exhibitors you'll find on the show floor, you'll also find learning zones 1 through 5. They are located in the 4 corners of the show floor, plus one in the middle back of the exhibit hall. These 5 distinct areas on the show floor bring session education straight into the action, demonstrating how you can incorporate dynamic learning into your events. Also located in the back of the show floor is the Sustainability Sanctuary. Throughout Tuesday and Wednesday, you'll find partners and exhibitors focused on making events more sustainable. Right next door to the show floor is Exhibit Hall E. That's where you'll find general session and specialty education sessions. Download the Expo mobile app to explore interactive maps. It's the easiest way to find exhibitors, session rooms, and special events. You can also bookmark sessions, search for exhibitors, and get real-time updates on any changes throughout the day. Hungry? Lunch will be available on the show floor on Tuesday and Wednesday. Other food and beverage locations are marked throughout the venue, along with charging stations, restrooms, and a variety of lounges if you need to rest, recharge, or network with a colleague. Plan your day in advance, mark must-see sessions, and give yourself time to explore the show floor. With a little planning and the Expo app in hand, you'll move through the event like a pro. See you in Houston, ready to make the most of every moment.